How to fix Faceit Anti-Cheat Error in your Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, simply right click on your start menu and then this bar will open. Now go to installed apps. After that, simply search for Faceit. I have not installed it, but if you have, you will find the application. And also, you will get an option of uninstalling it. Uninstall the application. After that, second step, go to Start menu again. Now, open Run. Now, simply search for percentage local app data, and then again percentage, and hit Enter. After that, this will appear. Now find the Faceit folder and then uninstall it from here as well, and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll get you in the next one.